Hello everybody, I got a 2008 Chevy Silverado 3500 and I got to replace the rear rotors and pads. First off, you got to take off both of your tires, wheels. Then you got to remove these mounting bolts. These are 21mm, and if you don't have that, you could use 13/16. Then you need 19mm to open these. And of course, when you open it, you're gonna have oil coming out of it. Take the axle out. Now, see that little clip right there? You need to take that one out. Then you're gonna remove this fastener so the whole assembly can slide out. So you take a pick, ride it around, and clip it out. One. So get your magnet. Take that out. Now, make note of how tight this is. Okay? Because when you put it back in, you're not gonna try to go too crazy with this. Alright. Perfect. You need to use both hands to pull this out, and it's pretty heavy. So you can see it's loose. Let's get it out. Once you get it out, these studs are going through the rotor and the hub assembly, and you can see somebody's been hitting them. You have to take these out to get to the rotor so you can separate the rotor from the hub. Once you get all the studs knocked out, just simply lift it up. There you go. Rotor is separated. Let's get a new rotor. Line up your hub and a rotor, and we're going to push these back into the hub from back here. Like that. For this job, I'm going to use an air hammer with this fitting. You could use regular. It's not good with one hand, but you could use an extension and hammer it down, or you could use this and hammer it down. So once you install the rotor back in, you do need to use both hands. Tighten this hub nut as far as you can, and then you have to turn back until you see the notch, and then put the ring back in. Next, we're going to slide the axle and then bolt everything down. See, it stops here. So now you're going to lift it up, guide it in, and then spin until the splines line up. There you go. And now we're just going to line the bolts. Perfect. Put all the bolts and torque them down. Install the caliper back in, and that's what it takes to replace the rotor on your 3500. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is a little dirty job, but I'll clean everything up once I'm done. Take care. See you in the next video.